The first postulates of Dalton's atomic theory is matters are composed of very tiny particles called atom. So what is his first postulate? All the matter is made up of the smallest particle called atom. All the matter is made up of smallest particles called atoms. Second postulate is these particles are too small to see and cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. So second assumption is that this cannot be created or destroyed, or it is very small. So from where this statement gets Dalton's get this statement from the first law, that is law of conservation of mass. So according to Dalton's theory, he stated that these particles are too small to see. That means we are going on dividing further and further a matter. We reach a point where we cannot divide further. That means that much small is that particle. So that's why it is given that it is too small to see and cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. Okay. Next postulate is atoms of a specified elements are identical in mass and chemical properties. Once more, atoms of a specified element are identical in mass and chemical property. That means all the atoms of a given element, are identical in every respect, having the same mass, size, then chemical properties, etc. So what it means is ഒരു എലമെൻറ്റിനകത്ത് ആറ്റംസ് ആണുള്ളത്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഗോൾഡ് എടുത്താൽ ഗോൾഡിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ഗോൾഡ് ആറ്റംസ് ആണുള്ളത്. ഗോൾഡ് ആറ്റംസ്, ആ ഓരോ ആറ്റംസും കൂടെ ചേർന്നാണ് ഗോൾഡ് ആയിട്ട് തീരുന്നത്. ഗോൾഡ് ആറ്റംസ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ ചേർന്ന് ഗോൾഡ് എന്നുള്ളൊരു മാറ്റർ. ആ ഗോൾഡ് ആറ്റംസിനകത്ത് എല്ലാ ആറ്റംസും ഐഡൻറ്റിക്കലായിരിക്കും. എങ്ങനെ? സൈസിലായാലും അതിൻ്റെ മാസിലായാലും പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയിലായാലും എല്ലാം ഐഡൻറ്റിക്കലായിരിക്കും. എപ്പോഴാണ് ഒരു ആറ്റംസിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള ഒരു എലമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ആറ്റംസും, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു ഗോൾഡ് എന്നുള്ളൊരു എലമെൻറ്റിനുള്ളിലെ എല്ലാ ആറ്റംസും എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഗോൾഡ് ആറ്റംസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ദേ ആർ ഐഡൻറ്റിക്കൽ ഇൻ മാസ് and identical in size and identical in chemical property. That is the third statement. These atoms of a specified element are identical in mass and chemical property. That means all the atoms of a given element are identical in identical in every respect, having the same mass, size and chemical properties. Next postulate is atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical property. Now you have a confusion, isn't it? Whether these two are same or not. What is the first statement? Atoms of a specified element. Here atoms of different elements. Now you got. So this I have mentioned a particular element, gold. Gold contain gold atoms. In that gold atoms, all the atoms are identical in mass, identical in size and identical in chemical property. Here, the atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical property. That means no two elements are identical. That is the clear statement. No two elements are identical. That means I am taking a gold and a silver element. ഒരു ഗോൾഡും ഒരു സിൽവർ എലമെൻ്റ് എടുത്തു. ഗോൾഡിനകത്ത് എന്താ കാണുന്നത്? ഗോൾഡ് ആറ്റംസ്. സിൽവറിനകത്ത് എന്ത് കാണും? സിൽവർ ആറ്റം. That means these two are not same because Gold contains gold atoms and silver contains silver atoms. The mass of the silver atom is different from mass of the gold atom. The property of the gold is different from property of the gold atom. That means no two elements are identical. Okay, so atoms of different elements differ in mass, size and chemical property. Atoms of different elements differ in mass, size and chemical properties. The next one is, so hope you understood these two. Here the atoms of specified elements are identical in mass and chemical properties. Next one is atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties.